Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to wiggle camera and After Effects. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. The wiggle expression is a powerful tool in After Effects that allows you to add random movement to any property, including the camera's position, rotation, or any other parameter. This method is straightforward and highly customizable. First method, let's go ahead and open the Adobe After Effects and create a new composition with your desired settings, then hit OK. Add your layers that you want the camera to capture. Now go to Layer, New, and Camera. Choose your camera settings. For most projects, a 35mm preset works well, but you can adjust the focal length and other settings based on your needs, then hit OK. Hit OK again. Now, choose the layers you want the camera to interact with, and enable 3D by clicking the 3D layer checkbox and the timeline panel. Ensure the 3D layer switch is enabled to allow camera interactions. Now, choose the camera layer and the timeline. Press P to reveal the position property, or R to reveal the rotation property. Now back in position, hold Alt and click on the stopwatch icon next to the property you want to wiggle. This opens the expression editor. Type the following expression for position. The first number 2 represents the frequency of the wiggle, how many times per second the camera wobbles. The second number, 50, represents the amplitude of the wiggle, the intensity of the movement, and pixels. Now, let's go to the rotation by highlighting the camera, then hit the R key. Now, for example, let's go ahead and highlight the orientation. Hold Alt, then left click the stopwatch. Then just paste the codes. The codes are in the description below. Adjust these values based on how intense or subtle you want the camera movement to be. Then press the spacebar to play the composition and see the camera wiggle effect in action. Fine-tune the frequency and amplitude values to match the desired look for your project. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.